it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. And as you can hear, I'm pretty sick right now and my voice is not at its 100 right now. But I posted a poll on Instagram asking you guys whether you guys wanted a model brows tutorial or a quick fierce eyeliner tutorial. Most of you guys chose the model brows tutorial. I think I did my best doing the tutorials through my situation. But thank you guys so much for being here with me today. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If the subscribe tab is still red, then you better click it once it turns gray. Then you are officially part of the Boo familia. And of course, please do follow me on my Instagram. It's at @makeupbybooya. To start off this tutorial, you only need 3 simple things. One is a spoolie to comb out your brow hair. Second one is your craft glue stick, or if you have a lash glue, you can use that. And lastly, a felt tip brow pen. I tried a lot of techniques to feather out my brows, but for some reason, my brows are just so stubborn. They won't budge. I tried the mascara technique. The mascara technique, it actually works, but it comes off throughout the day. I use it for my everyday makeup, but it doesn't last long. The second one, I tried to use the Benefit Eyebrow Primer. Gina Shkeda. She used to be Jin's makeup on Instagram. She did a model brows tutorial as well. After watching that video, I was so inspired to make one as well. That's why, hence this video. She used the Benefit Eyebrow Primer and I tried that. Nada. It didn't work for me. It didn't feather out my brows. I tried to use the soap technique as per Desi Perkins. I'm sorry girl, I love you, but it didn't work out for me as well. I tried to do the hairspray technique as well, but it just won't budge. It just won't work on my brow. Since nothing would work out for me, I resorted to glue, and a lot of makeup artists use it, so it's not really a no-no. So you can definitely use it, and it lasts longer for me, and it's just looks so beautiful. I really love the effect of the glue stick on my brows, and I'm so excited to share what I do with you guys. So keep on watching. First, what I'm gonna do is comb out my brow hairs using a spoolie. You may either use a spoolie or a brow comb. Next, I'm gonna take my glue stick and apply it all over my brows. Go with the direction of your brow growth, because it's gonna make your brows look more natural if you follow the brow growth. And what I like to do next is really press the glue. And if you can see those buildup of glues, just take it off and just lightly press. It's pretty normal, especially if you're using glues. It's pretty normal, but just take it off. You can apply glue, you can layer your glue as much as you want, just as long as it doesn't look tacky. Especially if you have thicker hairs, then you can absolutely layer it out. See the difference on my brows now. It's much more feathered. I really press the hairs in because throughout the day it will stick out. So before I go on with my day, I make sure I press the brows in because it's gonna stick out later. So it's gonna be fine. Next, I'm going to use my NYX eyebrow marker to add more feathered out strokes. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to fill in the areas that are sparse with very light feathered out strokes. Since we're trying to mimic hairlines, the pressure on our application should be very, very light. On the brow hair area, make sure that you apply very, very lightly because if you go wrong, it's gonna look boxy. The brow head area should be the lightest part, then slowly going darker. And basically that's it. I don't carve it out with a concealer or an eyeshadow base just because I want it to leave it that way. I want it to look very natural, not really very drawn out or very sleek and cut. I just wanted to keep it natural and real. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you learned something today. Let me know if you will cop this look. Let me know in the comment section below. And again, I'm super sorry for my voice today. I don't feel really well, but thank you for watching this video, and if you like this, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. If you have any more comments or video suggestions, then I would love to hear them. Comment them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.